Whatever you do, better do it. Whatever you do. Just like a dog.
Johnny B. Sanders. Put your hands together for Johnny B. and his blues band. Blending the sounds that what I hear in my ear, the sounds of Big Jack Johnson and Johnny B. Moore out of Chicago together. Johnny B. Sanders. Put your hands together for them. And T. Scott, who just disappeared on us. Anthony Scott's going to join us up here on stage in just a little bit, because we're going to put our hands together and welcome a young lady to the stage. But before we go any further, AJ at KFAI, I myself am Jackie Maddox, Lady J, from KFAI's Tuesday Rollin' and Tumblin' Show. And I blend blues, jazz, R&B, soul, and funk together all into one expression that I call the full-bodied blues. Because I bring it to you from the ladies' side of the premier bassist in town. And he's played with everyone from soul music to R&B to funk to straight-ahead blues. Tony Scott's one of the go-to bass players here in town. He sings as well as plays bass. Put your hands together representing the Prophets of Peace.
something, something. We've got another selection for you.
All right.
We're just not standing up here for you. Fellas, a breakdown. Okay, that young man on the keyboards, that's Mr. Peter Hill. A very new addition to the province of peace, but an old addition to my friendship. Me and Peter go way back. And on the, I'm going to introduce the band now. On the left. These are another one of St. Paul's finest on the sax. On the tenor sax, my good buddy. You know, when you're in a band, when you're in business, you gotta have a right hand. You gotta have somebody, you know, that you can count on to kind of get stuff done that you messed up. You know. Mr. Bruce Belanger. Next to him, Mr. David Wright on trumpet. Mr. David Wright, also on the St. Paul Minnesota. And next to him, my illustrious pal, Mr. Terry Halverson. Halverson. And on guitar, he just goes by Doc, MD. Mr. Doc Wilson. Back here behind me, who's also holding down those drums, man. He's holding down, and also the vocals. He gave us the vocals on the Max. Mr. Douglas James. This is the province of Peace. Oh yeah, by the way, I'm T. Scott. You know, I just survived it. And I try to play a little bass, try to sing a little bit, try to entertain the people. And you know what? I just have fun doing this, all right? And you give it to me. All right, here we go. We're going to take it out. Forward.
Thank you, Dick Reeks. Music from the Prophets of Peace. Put your hands together one more time for these fabulous gentlemen. Representing us another facet of KFAI and Black history and Minnesota. representing a sound from the 70s that we haven't heard in a very long time. Around to me that I've been knowing her for a long time. Yes, I have. She just doesn't look it like most ladies that I know. We just never show our age. Lenny Chisholm in the house as well. He's one of the producers of this event. He was giving me the eye like, come on, stop talking, Jackie. But you know what? I got to wait for these gentlemen. Those that will be up on stage with Paviel and those that will not. In the meantime, I just want to remind you, this is being live broadcast for KFAI Radio. You can find us at www.kfai.org. I want to send a shout out to Elsa's House of Sleep. They're co-sponsors of today's event as well. Elsa has 2 locations for her House of Sleep, one on Lake Street in Minneapolis and one on University here in St. Paul. And I'm just saying, I got some good stuff that I liked at Elsa's. That's all I'm saying. I like the shop. I like the people that I found in there. Now, we just want to welcome Paviel French. She's been performing since the age of 5. She performed at Penumbra and Black Nativity last year for 2013, which was in December. And I hope I am pronouncing it correct. Pavielle, P-A-V-I-E-L-L-E. She's performing at the Ice House, and she holds a workshop there every third Wednesday at the Ice House in Minneapolis. She has a residency there. She also has an album coming out in spring of 2014, which is in just a couple of months. Her album is called Fear Not. Put your hands together and welcome this lady with yet another expression of Black history from the ladies' side of the story, Paviel French.
About my life, and I'll just tell y'all about it. Can y'all break it down for me? Here we go. Living, breathing, learning, struggling. Where's my father? Love my mother. Grew up humble, stayed in trouble. Aspirations, I watched them crumble. Knew more than I could say them. Premonitions on my brain. I'm tired of living my life this way, and I'm weary of this BS game. I need a step up, I need a change. I got to make this paper, man. And all this work and zip to show for. Sometimes I don't want it no more, but this passion inside of me won't let me let this music be. So if this is what I've chosen here, then this will be the life I lead. But I'm running. Hey, I'll bring it back in. Yeah, I'm running. I'm running for me. I'm running for life. I'm running. Ooh, yeah, I'm running. Hey, I'm running for me. I'm running for life. Hey, break it down for me. Hey, reaching, dreaming, pushing, scheming, wanting something to believe in, fighting demons, writing because my purpose has a reason. Chip on my shoulder and it grows colder when you have no light. Nothing is free, it seems you're hopeless when you've lost your sight. Now the pressure's on and the show must go, and I may be young, but I already know that the business is rough and I'm on my own. I'm a soldier, so I'ma take my road. Beautiful blessings bestowed upon me within my birth. I will be me till the day my body leaves this earth. I'm running, yeah, yeah, oh, yeah. I'm running, hey, I'm running for me. I'm running for life. I'm running, I'm running. I'm running for me, I'm running for her life. I'm on my own, and I feel like I won't make it, because when I see the rain, it seems to fall. And I neglected health, and all the time I tell myself I know there's something better in store. Yes, but what you gonna do if you quit your job? And how you gonna live, can't afford no car? Now, if you gotta hustle when them times get hard, remember most of all, rely on God and yourself, hey. But I cannot believe that these things are happening to me, and I cannot believe. Tell me what is going on. I cannot believe what's real out here indeed. I'm struck by disbelief, and I'm not accepting this. Hey, let the man rock. Yes, sir, I will make it, but habits are deep. you are a queen or a king. Yes, you are. Now I cannot believe, babe, that these things are happening to me, and I cannot believe. Tell me what is going on. I cannot believe, baby, what's real out here indeed. I'm struck by disbelief, and I'm not accepting the Just like at KFAI, they used to say if you didn't like the music at KFAI, just wait till the next show because it'd be something else that you did like. Some of us liked everything we heard at KFAI. Yeah. Welcome, Janice Lane-Ewart, who not only is the programmer for that avant-garde jazz show, she's one of the co-founders of this idea of being here with a live sound stage for Black History Month celebration. Thank you, Janice. Janice Lane-Ewart. So, you got, well, hold on one second, young man. Let me introduce what you wrote down for me to say. Pee-wee Dread is joining us right now. He's getting ready to take over the vocal duties. He's the lead singer for Dread, I Dread. Minneapolis-based reggae band. That's right. Make the noise, y'all. We're gonna do it. 'Cause this too is what KFAI is all about. This too is Black history. The band features talented musicians that come from Jamaica, New Orleans, Minnesota, Turkey, and Mexico. The diverse heritage of this band and their members echo in the sound of Dread, I Dread. They represent what I always like to say about KFAI, that we are of the people, by the people, and for the people, and that's a good definition of reggae music. Put your hands together. Pee-wee Dread of Dread, I Dread.
Yeah, man, how you feeling this evening? Give me a little mic, please. Yeah, man, respect in all aspect. My name is Pee-wee Dread, the 40 out of poverty compassion order experiment we're trying for people right now. We call this song Feed Them Anything. Yeah, man. They feed them anything. They feed them anything. Burn down McDonald's and the Burger King. They feed them anything. They feed them anything. But that's how they feed all the kings and queens. They feed them anything. They feed them anything. Burn down McDonald's and Burger King. They feed them anything. They feed them anything. Worldwide. Well, so many times they take it for granted. That our food used to be plenty. Now they buy it from the store. They don't know where it comes from anymore. Hamburger helper, you them suffer. Mama gone to work, all she had to offer. Can make a penny, that's $9. Trying to raise the babies in the dollars. They feed them anything. They feed them anything. Burn down the McDonald's and Burger King. They feed them anything. They feed them anything. That's not how we feed our kings and queens. They feed them anything. They feed them anything. Burn down the McDonald's and Burger King. They feed them anything. They feed them anything. Whoa, 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 yeah. Even the farms, now they're even under attack from the GMO plant that they cannot push back. But when the wind blows, the GMOs, where it goes, nobody knows. And they don't give a damn about the kind of crime. And the future affects the neighboring soil and its future so well. Oh God, why they killing our children? Well, the rest of that gotta speak to the youth below. Oh God, we won't bow. They feed us anything. Oh God, they feed us anything. We burn down the dollar and burn it. They feed us anything. They feed them anything. But that's not how we feed our kings and queens. They feed them anything. They feed them anything. We burn down the dollar and burn it. They feed them anything. I'm gonna the system, I'm gonna the bus, I'm gonna run the man, show them the truck. So here we go, man. They look from Mama Earth and like they fight for little freedom. Oh God, mercy, someone come out and leave them. Show the love and affection, compassion. Or not someone is taking action. Start the youth from suffer when they go to school. The only place they can get some food. So Rastaman don't like the government wicked attitude. So this is what I come to do. Cause they feed them anything. They feed them anything. We burn down the McDonald's and Burger King. They feed them anything. They feed them anything. The banana system, sickness, operation, boy. We feed them anything. Oh God, they feed them anything. The kids go on the school and they refuse lunch. We feed them anything. Oh God, I'm missing wicked. We see the money now they feed them anything. Oh my God, what's going on in Babylon? Well, somebody got to stand and be strong, yeah. That's why God is here now. He's hanging at me one bound. So put your left and fork down. McDonald's and the Burger Kings are killing up my youth mind scream. Sure, they feed them anything. Well, they feed them anything. Now my system, they feed them up with Burger King. They feed them anything. Or what they feed them anything. Rastaman gonna raise up the youth and queens. Yeah, man. This is P.V. Dread. Message music, we bring them. Yeah, man, because 40 out of poverty is my mission. The compassion order experiments. Many are blaspheming, you know. Poor people, they won't bow. Yeah, man. Stop it, right? Stop it, stop it, stop it, stop it. Pull it up, pull it up. Respect, respect. Hope you have a good time tonight because that's what I come here for, to spread the message of the music and spread the heart of the people. My father died in Katrina. I don't want to see that type of injustice happen to anybody in this world or any place around our world. We have to love one another more. The compassion order experiment is here. Brought in by P.V. Dread. Roll! Yeah, man. Next to him. Yeah, man. So, yeah, man, we call this one, What Am I Fighting For? Because, you can do that one? Or just give me a rhythm. Give me any kind of rhythm, man. Just, yeah.
Just go ahead.
Yeah, man.
Go ahead.
What am I fighting for? A future for the poor, yeah. What am I fighting for? The people want to stop on war. Ooh, yeah. Sure. What am I fighting for? A future for the poor, yeah. What am I fighting for? The people want to stop on war. This world is not ready now for the youth that will not bow. For obstacles and chances the Creator has it now. off the door, think of poverty, go low, see the mama got no money for no food and it's no kind of love that I was in a do, when you papa she got no money for the town, sticky situation, man, when we live in town, we see the sufferation, now we see the sweat of blood, we see the people struggling from the mountain top, to the credit on his way, can you realize that? What am I fighting for? The future for the boy, yeah. What am I fighting for? When I lost a black heart, we do it. What am I fighting for? A future for my boy. What am I fighting for? Say my lost a black heart, we do it. Government running, but I and I coming. Open up the door because we're gonna feed the wicked, we're gonna feed the poor, we're gonna feed the people that want to live more. Cause I and I know what we have in store. And even though the times when they get a little raw, or else someone can know the moment and the full the draw. Sure. What am I fighting for? The future for the poor. What am I fighting for? For people wanna stop like the door. Sure. What am I fighting for? Babylon is still all the war. What am I fighting for? What am I fighting for? For the poor, for the youth in that place, treat them all freedom now. Woke up and started.
Pee-wee Dread, the leader of Dread I Dread. You got me there, Dick Reese? Because I can't hear, so I can't tell. But I know all of you out there in KFAI land, I know you can hear, and you can tell what it is we're doing here on a Tuesday evening. One more time, put your hands together, we can find you and Dread I Dread.
You're going to find March 14th, I'll be at the Nomad with Truth Maze and some other great artists. And on March 26th, I'll be at the Nomad again with Dread I Dread and Ross Indio. So come check it out. It's going to be a real fun time. And you can check us out online anytime, dreadidread.com or peeweedread.com. 40 out of poverty, live long.
But just for those that didn't hear, because you talk fast, say both websites again slowly, because the radio audience is probably trying to write it down.
Right. I sing real fast, so I do apologize. But it's Dread I Dread. That's DREDIDREAD.com or peeweedread.com. PEEWEEDREAD.
Yeah, man. Thank you so much. But to us and to our ancestors and to those ancestors, the sound that came with us from America, to America from Africa, was the sound of the Spirit. It's the sound of that which is within all of us. And it's that information, that instruction, that way of life, that way of being, came with the slaves from Africa to America. We found various ways to worship and to practice our own religion, and one of those ways became what is now called gospel and a part of the Christian church here in America. But we never lost our ancestry. We never lost our spirit roots. In fact, an African slave was quoted as saying, "Without music, the spirit will not descend." And that's something as African people, as African peoples, we still believe in. We still believe in bringing spirit into our house, into our hearts, and into our minds. Put your hands together. Soul Lyric.
I'm so glad to be here. It's a privilege and an honor to be before you guys. When I step up in the building, yeah, I need God's help. Let me take a little minute to introduce myself. So lyric, I'm so lyric. I hope y'all hear me. How y'all feeling out there? Can y'all hear me good enough out there? Yeah. That's what's up. I'm going to do a song for y'all called He's Alive in Me. And when I'm talking about He's Alive, I'm talking about the love of Jesus Christ in me. And when people see me walking, I'm doing ordinary things. The glow that you see that that comes upon me is truly from the Spirit of the Lord, because I'm a wretch undone without him. So this song that I'm going to do for you is called He's Alive. It's more of an up jumps the boogie song. I know we kind of crowded in here and everything, but if you feel it in your body, get on up. I want to see you move with me, all right? I want to feel your energy in the room. And if you can't get up, bob your head or wave your hand. Talk to me, all right? Okay, so without further ado, you can start that track for me.
He's alive, he's alive, he's alive, he's alive.
Come on.
He's alive.
See, I came to give him praise, so I put my hands up. I came to raise the praise, so I put my hands up. I know that he's alive, I put my hands up. I know that he's alive, I put my hands up. I came to raise the praise, so I put my hands up. I came to bless his name, so I put my hands up. I know that he's alive, I put my hands up. I know that he's alive, I put my hands up. Tell me what you see that you like in me. Could it be my eyes, my style, my speech? No, it's none of these little simple things. It's the Holy Spirit I wear like bling. I see you watching how I wear my crown. I got it from the King, I wear it out. Right from the left hand, now I'm walking in favor. Get up every day, then I put on my Savior. I got it on the earth. Hey, yeah. I'm walking with him every day. Seeing me, oh, he's alive. He's alive in me. I got your attention. I got your attention. Yeah. I got your attention, and now I see you focused. The mission is the word of God. See, I'm chosen to spread a message that's gonna help lift up your lifestyle. Gaining eternal life, and you can live it right now. Don't you worry about naysayers in your background. God got you so you're good, you don't have to. Everything He said is gonna come to pass. Only what you do for Christ is gonna last. Things in store. Shades new clothes, never change. Every day, I couldn't afford to away from me. Destiny, walking with him every day. So I put my hands up. I came to bless his name, so I put my hands up. I know that he's alive, I put my hands up. I know that he's alive, I put my hands up. I came to raise the praise, so I put my hands up. I came to bless his name, so I put my hands up. I know that he's alive, I put my hands up. I know that he's alive, he's alive. Jesus with me all the time. I got him in my heart, he's always on my mind. When you see me walking, now he's walking by my side. Yeah, yeah. Hey, hey. He's alive in me, he's alive in me. Reason you like it, what you see in me, oh, he's alive. He's alive in me. He's alive in me. Yeah. God bless you guys. Thank you so much.
Yeah, very nice. Soul lyric. Put your hands together for this beautiful lyric. Amazing soul lyric. Put your hands together for this. Thank you, sweetie. University Avenue in St. Paul. It's custom suits, brand name clothing, shoes, accessories, all under the name of Clifford Dodd and Sweet Inspirations. It says here, in God do trust. Sweet inspiration. Thank you all for joining us. KFAI, live remote. We can be found though on your computer. We can be found at www.kfai.org. Today's programming will be in our archives as soon as we're done with the show here. So if you have friends that you'd like to tell about today's broadcast, please do. Because this is a very special moment in Black history, in Minnesota history, and KFAI history as well. I don't think I've heard so many avant-garde artists today as we are hearing here with KFAI and this live remote. Owned a disorderly house for drunken sailors when they came off the docks. She's a huge woman and scared most of her clientele because she could keep those drunken sailors in line. The police, quite often having trouble with sailors and dock workers, would go and get Black Maria and get her to come down to the police station to knock some heads together and get the drunken disorderly to get back being orderly. So after a while, it became the clarion call for getting help. Go get Black Maria, who would come down to the police station, she would, and knock some heads together until they all got to be orderly. After a time, because we're talking way back in colonial days, it grew from just getting her, because obviously she probably passed on, it just became a saying. Go get help. There's somebody being disorderly. Go get the Black Mariah.
All right.
Fact, Black history fact for you. Our next young man, his name is Quentin Adams. He's stepping up to the microphone right now. Ever since the age of 5, Quentin can remember singing into a microphone with his sister. They would go back and forth all day long, taking turns and having fun. As Quentin grew up, he decided he would continue to sing. Sometimes life deals us the bad cards, and we don't know whether we want to break or deal those cards. Fortunately, Quentin has decided to break and deal his cards and let his true feelings show up on his sleeve. Joining us right now, Mr. Quentin Adams. Thank you. Quentin. Got a mic there, baby?
All right, my name.
Use the center one.
All right. You can find, like she said, my name is Quentin Adams, but you can check my music out online at quentinsound.com or YouTube, Google Quentin Sound, Quentin Sound. First song is Let Me In off my next album coming out. Oh, yeah. Put your hands together, y'all. I wanna be your friend, protector, angel to the end. Yeah, y'all look good. Open your heart and let me in. I promise to take you to places you've never been. Just say so just let me in. Just let me in, yeah. Here we go. See, baby, I was made for you, and you was made for me too. Listen to my heart, it's meant for you, yeah. See, there's no one else above you, and there's no one else but you. Listen to my heart, yeah. I wanna be your lover, to be your friend, be your protector. Whoa. So open your heart, just let me in. You have never been. Woo. Just make it say so just let me in. You make me say so just let me in. It's unmistakable, and this love is unreplaceable. So when you're ready to take off, I'll make sure that you fly. Oh, yeah. You must be an angel till the day I die. I just wanna love you. Oh, just let me in, yeah. I promise to take you places you have never been, yeah. You make me say, yeah. You make me say, yeah. See, baby, I was made for you. Just baby, listen to me. Whoa. I got what you need, yeah. So baby, come with me, yeah. Ooh, yes. So open your heart and let me in. Oh, you make me say just make me say ooh. Let me in, yeah. Just let me in, no. Thank you. That was my first song, Let Me In. This next one is called I used to think you cared about me until I seen the real you. I had to wake up out my bed just so I could see the real truth. You just threw it all away, threw it all in my face. Didn't want to waste time on me. That's how I see it. No, didn't want to waste. I put my footsteps in. Please leave out the door. Just can't take it anymore. You don't do the things that you should do, but I still loved you. You're inconsiderate. Now that you're gone, you're all alone. I had to go. I needed more, yeah. You ain't considerate, girl. You're so inconsiderate. Ooh, I used to think it was my fault, 'cause I wanted you from the start. Love, I wanted it bad, even though I knew it wouldn't last. Instead of me letting us build up, I went ahead and made us real. All good things just take time, and it never happens overnight. You don't do the things that you should do, but I still loved you. You're inconsiderate. Now that I'm gone, you're all alone. I had to go. Yeah, I needed more. See, you're inconsiderate. You're so inconsiderate. I'm blaming you for things that you didn't do.
So now I'm moving on. See, you're inconsiderate. You don't do the things that you should do, but I still love you. You're inconsiderate. You're inconsiderate. You're inconsiderate. Hey, I needed more. Hey, you're inconsiderate. See, times get hard. Remember, most of all, relying on God and yourself.